Hello class, welcome to Pre-Algebra Lesson 2.7, which is all about commission and fees. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to solve problems involving commissions and fees. So let's talk about what commission is. So you've maybe heard this word and maybe you know what it means and maybe you don't. So I'm going to kind of explain it a little bit. A commission is when people sell things and then they get a portion of the amount of money that's brought in from the sale. So some common things for commission involve like car salesmen, jewelry stores, like some of those big ticket items, or I shouldn't say big ticket, but some of those bigger items, usually the people selling them get some sort of commission. So if we look at this example, we are trying to figure out how much commission Angie is going to get. So Angie works in a jewelry store and earns 6.25% commission on every piece of jewelry she sells. How much commission does she earn for selling a ring that costs $1,300? So the way that you figure this out is you can use C for commission if you want. I'm going to use X because I just like to use the variable X. So you put X over however much, like whatever the price is of the item that was sold. Okay, so I'm going to kind of use like my percent proportion here. And then 6.25 over 100. Oop, that was not 100. 100. Okay, so I'm going all the way back to, I believe it was lesson 2. That was the percent proportion. And I'm going to use that in order to solve how much commission Angie makes. So the way I do that, remember, is I'm going to cross multiply. So I'm going to say $1,300 times 6.25 divided by 100. So if I divide by 100, I find out that Angie would make $81.25 in commission. Okay, so Angie makes $81.25, $85.25 off of selling a ring that cost $1,300. All right, then if I were to continue on and have you try to do this one on your own, we have Nathan sells jewelry and earns a 9.75% commission on every piece he sells. How much commission, oh sorry, that was another typo, would he earn on a bracelet that sold for $220? All right, so set up your proportion. Let's say equals, so remember it's your percent and then it's your commission over your total. So go ahead, set up, cross multiply, and divide. Good luck. All right, for this problem, hopefully you said x over 220 equals 9.75 over 100. You said 220 times 9.75 divided by 100 and ended up with $21.45. If that's not where you ended up, please be sure to reach out for some help, and I'm happy to help you. All right, let's talk about the last thing for this video, which is fees. So fees are often used, like you've maybe heard about fees when it comes to shipping or when it comes to withdrawing money from an ATM or maybe buying concert tickets. Like there are a lot of different fees associated, and sometimes a fee is a flat rate, and sometimes like where it's just like your fee is $12, or sometimes it's your fee is 3% of whatever you're paying. So let's explore what that looks like. So we have Sabrina bought some paper supplies from an online retailer. The retailer charges a $6.95 shipping fee or 8% of the total purchase, whichever is greater. Okay. If Sabrina's total purchase is $85.50, how much shipping will she pay? Okay, so I want to know if she is charged that 8%. I want to know, is that 8% greater than or less than $6.95? So the way that I do that is I say, you take the price, so in this case, $85.50, you say times the percentage, and that tells you what the fee is. So $85.50 times my percentage as a decimal, so 0.08, that is a $6.84 fee. So the 8% is $6.84. The flat rate is $6.95. And since the retailer is saying that whichever of those is more expensive, that's what they're getting charged, we know that she's going to pay $6.95 in shipping. Okay? So I took the cost, multiplied it by the fee, the percentage, fee, that should say 8%, and I got $6.84. Then I compared the $2 amounts and picked the bigger. Okay, now I want you to do this one. Tickets for a concert are sold online, sold by online ticket resellers. One company charges, so many typos, a fee of 4% of the ticket price. Another company charges a flat fee of $2.50. The ticket you want to buy costs $60.50. If you buy the ticket online, which is the lesser fee. So go ahead and figure that out. Make sure you set up, show your work, and good luck. All right, for this problem, hopefully you did the $60.50 times 4% and found out that that is a $2.42 fee. And so if we're looking for which one's lesser, 242 is less than 250. So the company with the 4% fee is less expensive. All right, if you have questions on that problem or if you have questions on anything else from this video, please, please, please ask for some help. I'm happy to help you. I hope